race. And the race is on. Celestia rushing up his bombs, and on the further side, the favorite mainstay rushing up. Old Reliable running by the Ral's Rebound. Bombs leader by some 4 lengths, followed by Rebound. Celestial in the middle, alongside is Old Reliable, followed by Mainstay, and running by the Real 6 is Reclamador. At still Bombs some 7 lengths as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Bombs by some 6 lengths. Old Reliable is running in second as they move towards the back. Bombs 6 lengths. Old Reliable, Celestial, Rebound, and rushing up 5A. Bombs Ratio running by the road. The favorite Mainstay. Reclamador is rushing up together with Special Blend. My Corruptible as they round the last 600. Bombs by some 4 lengths. Old Reliable, Mainstay is now running in third. Celestial, Reclamador together with a Special Blend number 12 as they race the last 400. Bombs, All Reliable, Mainstay, and Special Blend. Reclamador rushing up in between runners. The last 200. It's bombs in the middle. Mainstay, Danori inside. Old Reliable. Reclamador is rushing up by the run. Special Blend. Magic on the further Reliable. Magic moves up. And finally, Magic. All Reliable. Mainstay, Special Blend, Reclamador for your Pentafecta.